This thing will no longer work unless you connect these two. What I plan to do is have a relay running off the radio circuit so that when you turn the key, one click, and the radio would normally turn on, so will this. However, if I don't want this running off, this won't run. What I need to do now is connect the relay up to it. I need this one to be here, and this one to be here. So that's ready to go. Now I just need accessories and earth. Because I'm the ultimate hoarder, I had this piece of red wire, so I put a bullet terminal on off camera, and yeah, plug that in, good to go. I don't want the wire visible, obviously, so I need to pull the center console apart, which isn't that difficult, but isn't that easy either because I've got extra shit going on. That just lifts up. I'll run my shit through there, I think. Oh wait, can I get this off? Yeah, you can. Just force it, lift it up. Feed this down through here, and then lift up from the other side. Where are you? There you are. Hey, hey. Look at that. Magical. Now this one's got to go up through here. Excellent, that was easy. Run through there, plug that in, pull this through. I can get that out of there while I'm here. Don't need that. PlayStation? Yeah, maybe. You never know. This is just a cover so that I can have a PlayStation in my car. That's what this is all about. I've got a spare earth just floating around here for some reason. Don't remember putting that in. You should really be on the other side of that. Doesn't matter, Dave. Stop it, stop it. You're gonna f something. You're gonna ruin something. Stop it. Microphone shit. Okay, one thing at a time. I'm in kind of high spirits because this is all sort of working out the way I planned it. I haven't had any mistakes yet. Okay, so that's that wire done. I just decided to rerun the power wire instead of going down through there and under. So I ran it this way, up and over instead. As I was doing that, I noticed this wire here. There's an earth, a factory earth right there. I don't have to drill a hole or anything. Just run from there, over, straight to here, done. So I'm just spacing it out. Where do I want everything? The cable that's going to go to the back of the car has to come out of here as well. So one of them is going to have to come out of here and go backwards. It may as well be this one. The other one can run straight out of there. This one's got the length. Go to there. Yeah. I guess the whole reason you watch this channel is for one of two reasons. Either because you think I'm funny, entertaining, or because you want to see how I do shit. It's so stupid of me not to film the shit I do when that's potentially a reason why you're watching. So I just used a... Yeah, well, that didn't even go square. That's a bit shit. It's gone in that line there and given me weird shit. Oh no, it's straight-ish. How did you decide on there? Why not closer? Well, I lined this up and sort of went with an S, and where I thought the cable felt kind of comfortable curving is where I decided to end the metal. It's not going to try and pull itself out or anything. This is actually an aluminium sheet for dogs or cats for the summer. They're supposed to lie on it because it's nice and cool, but this sheet of aluminium was cheaper than a sheet of aluminium, so I bought it to cut it up. We actually bought two of them and Ted wouldn't sleep on it, so I've got two of them now. Here's a metal blade and a jigsaw. Face protection and hearing protection, because this is probably going to be loud. This is taking way longer than it should. I believe this, oh wow. This is what I was using. That's what it should look like. See the teeth? No wonder it wouldn't cut. Yeah, I got through that faster than I got through that because of the blade. Okay, use this on there. I'm going to use a scribe to get a better line. I'm going to get a more accurate line, not a more accurate cut. Easy enough. I still haven't decided on what mounting technique I'm going to use. I'm going to use a file on that just to try and get it a bit straighter. Straighter, not straight. It's far from straight. It's honestly nowhere near straight. It's actually not bad now. The holes in this are M5, and the holes for the inverter are M6. They're not even holes, are they? They're slots, but I digress. Need to drill these out. I'm going to try on this piece to actually create a indent for the rivsert. If it works, I'll do it over there. Okay, so just throw that on the ground. Test number 1 was obviously a failure, but what I did to win in the end is put this in a 9mm hole and then press it over a socket, and it gave me a divot that is just about flat. Dare I try it on my main piece? Yes, I do, and I'll show you how I do it. We'll do the second one once it's bolted in. Geez, I hope this works, because this turned out really nice. I'd hate to ruin it. And that one, that's not a 9, so be careful not to drill that out. Okay, a rivsert. Fits. Fits. Falls. Fits. And fits. All right, off to the bearing press. Don't buy a press, Dave. You'll never use it. You just never use it. Okay, so what I've got here is I can't even read it. What is it? What the hell does that say? 15, 16, whatever it is. This fits in it with a little bit of slop. See that? But it doesn't really matter. All we need is this indent area on the side here, this. So I'm gonna load this in from the top. Put this over there. Load this into here like this. Line it up by eye. Probably shouldn't do that. My eye is apparently terrible. Okay, second one. Let's give it a once with this. What did we end up with? Some good shit. That's what we ended up with. That's dead flat. Yeah, perfect. I'm gonna go back to number 1 and give that a quick with the stick. Yeah, that's great. Oh, bye. Look at that. They're not perfect, but I didn't pay any money for a tool that would make them perfect. I'm okay with not perfect here. Pay the money, get perfect. Maybe. This ain't bad. Not bad for free. Yep. Good, good. Next one. I got this idea because the actual tool, I think, was advertised to me on Instagram through Temu. And I'm like, that's kind of interesting. How much are they? Maybe it wasn't Temu, maybe it was Amazon. And I was like, holy Jesus, I'm not paying that much. And evidently, you don't need to. That's fine for what I'm doing. How will they be once I actually put the rivsert in? I don't know. Yeah, looks pretty damn good to me, man. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, Dave, how come you didn't know about that before? I thought you knew about that, you just didn't want to do it. No, I had no idea you could do that. I would have done this many times before had I have known it was possible. Now we both know, you and me. Rivsert technology just got an upgrade. Got these 4 little fancy M616. Look at these little button heads. What if they're gonna work? Oh, that's 2. That's 3. Number 4's a little bit unhappy about it. You get that on these big jobs. You do. It does happen. We're 0.5 millimeter off. Tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do what nobody else would do and show you my mistake. We are very, very close, but just not close enough. So what I'm gonna do is get the circular file and file out just a little bit of it on both sides, and then it will fit. Anyone from Amazon watching, those marks happened during the mounting process. What was involved in the mounting process, you ask? Well, don't worry about that. What do you mean you won't honor the warranty because there's scratch marks where I mounted it? Everything's flat today. My microphones are flat, the Rode thing's flat, GoPros are flat. Drilled this out to 7, pressed it in, hella flat. Get this to be here, or it needs, no, it's not there, it's here. Get the fuses out of there. Oh, get out of there, now. M5 bolt goes in, if I can find the correct size Allen key. Doesn't look square, really doesn't look square. According to my lines it is, but maybe the holes in the item aren't square. That's it there. So I'm going to do that up and then ignore my line somewhat. That goes in there. Gotta love the face protection just sitting there on the bench. I reckon I'm getting better at that. Now, because these are an M5 and not an M6, yeah, I needed to use a smaller socket to press into, but same process. Did that take you all day to make? Yes. Worth it. Yep, that's looking like it's perfect. I need to go find another one of those. Damn, where am I going to find that? That actually looks like it might have been out of the Panic ITBs. You can't use the regular Japanese heads because they're too broad to fit in the divots in here. See that? Nice. Test fit. Give it a test tickle. It's tight, but it's going in. Yeah, that's just brilliant. Everything's coming up aces. Look at that. Perfect length bolts just found in the top of my bolt pile. Found these ones as well. Just, again, just sitting on top of the M6 bolt pile. These button heads. Perfect. You know how many I had? 4. How many do I need? 4. Unless this is an M6. If this is an M6 as well, then I really need 5, which kind of sucks. I need 5 of them. That's okay. It's a relay. It can have a different bolt. Oh, shit. Nice, nice, nice. That's going to go in there like that. Yep. It's all flush. Yes. Yes, yes. Why am I so excited? Because nothing ever goes this smooth. I haven't f***ed it up yet. And I'm stoked about that. Okay, need to figure out where the relay goes. So you go back on there.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción, yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente. Con una pasión tan fuerte. Ay, 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 ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando. Yo sigo cantando.